we are in San Josecito de Ovita, a property that's 6,000 meters or an acre and a half in size. It's right down the southern coast. Southern views all the way to the Ballena Rocks and down to the Osa Peninsula. Also got direct views out to the famous Whale's Tail. Property borders Oro Verde National Reserve, as well as some secondary forest areas, so the wildlife is very lush. Huge amount of building space here. Ridgeline goes right on back into the woods for quite a ways. Any size construction can go onto this site. It also has a great view through the trees here of the sunset, although some of the brush would have to be thinned out, leave all the trees, take out some of the vines and brush. Open right up into the sunset view here as well. Altitude of about 1,300 feet. Much cooler than the beaches, yet we are a 5-kilometer drive, 3 miles down to right there to Playa Hermosa.